Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
2012 Raptor. Got the brand new shocks. These are from the 2018 Raptor. This is original Raptors one from 2012. We're gonna be raising it to the mid perch before installation, and hopefully the 18s fit. They should fit technically. They're a little bit 1 inch higher, I think, and that's all. This ones will definitely fit, and you should sit a little taller than that. So here we go. First, you gotta take this bolt out with the Allen key. So this is where the pin was to start with, and then it's gonna go to mid perch, and then you're just gonna close this back up and use the screw that came with to tighten it. Put the plastic hat back on. Both shocks are on the top perch. As you can see, these are pretty much completely out, front and back ones. It's on the heel, so it's not resting on a bump stop, but you usually let it rest on a bump stop. That's how badly these are. The back one should slip in perfectly fine. They're just bigger shot after the bolt. That's how it looks right now. You can't even see the control arms there. You're supposed to. That's how high it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be pointing down here and here. So hopefully once we're done, it will be much higher and will ride better. While we wait for our lift to change the shocks, just take a look at whoever you are, the owner, I don't know who it is. This is a clean S2000. Unplug the wires first before removing the bolts. Remove the top bolt, the control arm, remove the bottom bolt afterwards, and this should just come out. All the bolts are out. It's a good time to check. You need a new one. These are good. Don't need to replace. Brand new shocks are in. Fully bolted on. This is what the old shocks look like. As you can see, they're rusted out and pretty much shot. It's the old bump stop. And this is what the new ones look like on the front. And this will be the right side. Perfectly clean. This is the back side before it was installed. And it's good. This is after it was already bolted on. This is what the finished product looks like. As you can see, it does sit a bit taller in the front and a bit taller in the back. On track, now we going way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up.